name's Thomas from Manon. Have you ever walked down the street and wondered why some houses have concrete driveways and others have asphalt driveways? What factors cause the homeowners to choose a concrete or asphalt drive? There are some advantages to having a concrete driveway rather than an asphalt one. Today I'm going to talk about what concrete is, the variety, cost, and strength of concrete compared to asphalt. Many people have asphalt drives, but not many people are replacing concrete driveways with asphalt. And here are some reasons why. People use the terms concrete and cement interchangeably, but they are two different materials. Concrete is the glue, cement is the glue, while concrete is made by mixing cement with aggregates such as rocks and sand along with water to produce a workable consistency. Asphalt driveways come in the colors of black, black, and black, whereas concrete driveways offer a variety of colors and stamped concrete that mimics stone or brick. Concrete also offers the advantage of having defined borders, which allows the homeowners to architecturally shape the concrete. What makes concrete unique is that it can be colored. There are two different ways to do this. One is acid staining and the other is dyeing. Acid staining is usually used to stain different blocks different colors. Dyeing the concrete is very common and easy. All you have to do is mix the dye in the concrete to make it the color of your choice. Dyeing the concrete adds to the effect of stamped concrete. As you can see, stamping the concrete makes it more attractive than usual broom finished concrete. If you look at an asphalt driveway, you will realize the edges are never perfect, while with concrete, perfect edges are a given. This is because the cement contractors have to use forms to keep the concrete in place before it dries, and when you remove the forms, the edges are very defined. In the past, when the price of a barrel of oil was low, the difference in cost between asphalt and concrete was greater. Now that the cost of oil has gone up, so have the cost of an asphalt driveway. Choosing concrete over asphalt is an easy decision for most people. The sticky black liquid that holds asphalt together is a form of petroleum. This material called bitumen, which forms naturally in the ground and today is a product of the fractional distillation of crude oil. Crude oil prices have fluctuated over the years. According to the website inflationdata.com, in 1998 the average price of crude oil was $23 a barrel. In 2012 it was $93.47 a barrel. When the price of crude oil was low, the cost of an asphalt driveway was significantly lower than the concrete driveways, which helped the cost-conscious homeowner lean toward an asphalt driveway. As the cost of crude oil has increased, the cost of driveways have become more competitive. Lastly is the strength of concrete. Concrete changes from a plastic to solid state in about 2 hours. This hardening process that strengthens the concrete is because of a chemical reaction that takes place between water and cement. Concrete.org says, and I quote, "Concrete ingredients, their proportioning, interactions between them, placing and curing and practices and environment determine the ultimate durability and life of the concrete." The University of Memphis Civil Engineering says, and I quote, "Theoretically, if kept in a moist environment, concrete will gain strength forever. However, in practical terms, about 90% of its strength is gained in its first 28 days. In contrast, the strength of asphalt depends more on the base material, thickness, and the bond strength and the glue that holds the asphalt together. Long-term exposure to moisture weakens the asphalt with no effect on concrete. In conclusion, concrete offers the homeowner many decorative choices of the design variety of the material, Now that the price of oil is high, the cost difference of concrete versus asphalt is slight, making concrete a better value. Over a period of 50 years, concrete has lower or no maintenance costs compared to asphalt maintenance cycle of sealing every 2 to 3 years, plus recoating every 15 to 20 years, increasing the overall cost of asphalt driveway. Concrete strength is superior to asphalt. At this time, the only advantage to having an asphalt drive is if you want a black driveway.